In this video, you'll learn how to use the Roofr Sites editor. Click the Get Started button to begin. If you have an existing Google Business profile, click Yes, let's connect. Otherwise, click No, I'll skip this step. Paste in your current website URL. It may already be pre-populated. Then, click Confirm and Continue. Hang tight while Roofr Sites summarizes your information for your personalized Moodboard. Then, click Reveal My Moodboard. Your customized Moodboard is where you will confirm the content and visual style of your website. Click Get Started to begin. Begin by editing and confirming your business information. Click on your logo to open the Edit window. Edit or add your business name, service areas, phone number, email, business hours, and founding date. Click the checkboxes to confirm your changes. Next, click on the Services area to edit and confirm your offered services. To customize your personas, click on the circle icon in the top right. Your personas help Roofr Sites showcase what makes your business unique. Answer the questions about your jobs and services in the chat window. Click the arrow at the top of the chat window to continue to answer questions and refine your personas. The interactive AI chat feature will handle most of your website tweaks, whether fixing errors or customizing the look and content. To edit your gallery page, click the pencil icon. Click on any available images to add them to your gallery. To add to your available images, click the drop-down in the top left, select Tuner. Click on any image in the site. Select your uploads and click the Upload button to add your images. To edit your team page, click in the Name Card section. Click the Upload button to add a photo of the team member. Add the team member's name, job title, and optional text. Click the arrow to lock in the details. Next, we'll use the Site Tuner tool to edit your content. To add or edit your custom call to action buttons, click the Settings gear icon at the top right, then select the CTA tab. Paste the URL that you want the button to direct your customers to. Click Add. Edit the internal name, call to action text, and description. Choose the pages you want the button to appear on. Click Save Configuration. To edit your site's look and branding, click the paintbrush icon in the lower left. Select your logo, colors, look, visual design, and type style. To edit the layout, click the pencil icon at the right below the menu bar. Scroll through the options with the arrows to view and select your layout. To edit your text content, click in the section and select a prompt. Or type your specific updates in the text box.